How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 66 Chevelle SS 396. It's a true 138 car. I got this car out of a friend of mine's collection. He did a complete frame off restoration on this car. Very nice. Done Marina Blue. It's all the grill, bumpers all been redone, all the trim. Very, very nice car. Super straight down the sides. Got a nice set of gray center Rev Classics on it. They're all new. I bought 3 cars from his collection. All of them are very, very nice cars. And again, this is a true 138 SS car. This car's real straight, nice down the sides, real slick paint on it. It's got the power disc brakes up front. It's got a 66, 396, 360 horse. It's all been redone. It's power disc brakes, power steering. It's got the heavy duty radiator in it. Just a very, very nice car. He updated it with a 700 R4 overdrive trans. It's got the 331 posi in the rear. So all the jams, real nice. Interior's very, very nice. Got the factory gauge package. It's got direct fit AM/FM stereo with the iPod capability. Headliner looks real nice and tight. It's got your factory front and rear seat belts and buckets with the console. Just a gorgeous car. Got all the factory jacks spare all in the car. Trunk looks real good. Tell you, the car's real slick, straight down the sides. Tell you, I really like these 66s. The 66 is one of my favorite. Fires right up. It's got real good sound exhaust all the way out the back. Nice little cam to it. It's a little chilly out today, folks. You can can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.